guys, Aubrey here, back with another video, and today I'm here with...
Hi, I'm Orchid Wolf and I am a flower OWO.
And today, we are going to be doing a den decorating challenge. Am I right? Okay, she doesn't want to reveal her voice yet. She will. But like, Orchid Wolf, you do not say that. That's not how you pronounce it. It's Orchid Wolf. I don't know why Siri's acting up today. But let's just continue. And today's theme is going to be, winter. So, yee. Anyways, let's go to my den while Orchid just stays in hers and suffers of depression.
Yeah, like old boy OWO.
Okay, then. Anyways, the theme is winter, and let's just get into it. Alright, and yeah, I will be right back. Okay, we are back from decorating our dens, and I think I did good. But this time we're gonna rate orchids. We're gonna rate orchids this time. Your den's locked. Oops. Yeah, I'm on a call with her if you didn't know, but whatever. We must. I still have that song stuck in my head. Anyways, alright, there we go. Oh my goodness. I'm speechless. This is way better than mine. No wonder why you needed more time. Alright.
OWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWWW
good. 10 out of 9 out of 1 out of 10. I give it a 10,500. Okay, now it's time to go rate mine. Don't ask why I just left a plain Arctic wolf in the corner. You can click the ice and penguin pops up. You can click the water and the penguin comes up. And fire.
Who is this? Is it Moto Moto?
It's not Moto Moto. Moto Moto does not like you. Okay. Anyways, it's not Moto Moto. Anyways, here's a fire to keep you warm while you're outside. And then inside, there's a fold-up table. Why are you dancing in the fire, boy? You're a snowman. You're gonna melt.
This girl is on fire.
This girl is on fire. Why am I singing? I'm gonna get myself copyrighted. We have a fireplace, and then we have some candles to keep you more warm, and a bed, and we have Baby Shark and Mommy Shark over here for no reason. I just like Baby Shark and Mommy Shark. Anyways, what do you rate me? It's Mommy Shark's food. Oh, she's coming to eat you next. What do you rate my den to, Orchid? I rate a 7. Okay, so Orchid Wolf is the winner, and now I will be giving her a rare. Beautiful. Oh no, you're not accepting. Just put bad on trade. I'll just give it to you. www. Are you accepting buddy request? Yeah, you are. Not buddy request. I'm accepting that. Okay. Feels like almost so. Now I have that song stuck in my head. Anyways, that's all it's gonna do for today, everybody. I hope you.
OWO.
Wow. Anyways, that's all that's gonna do for today. So I hope you guys had a great day today, and bye my little TVs, and peace out.